Today I have 5 beautiful projects and they all include some type of wood. For our first project, I have this bench. This bench, I can't remember if I found it in the side of the road or if I purchased it at a Goodwill. But I did use it before. All I'm doing is bringing it out and refreshing it. And the color is Serenity Blue. This was like a brick color. I was not a fan of it. So I did paint it before, but the color started to peek through and that's why I'm refreshing it. And this bench is solid wood. Now that it's all refreshed, it's still wet, so I'm going to go ahead and put it to the side. In the meantime, I'm going to start working on this Easter, Happy Easter, and this is also made out of wood, and you could still find these, I believe, at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and use black chalk paint and give it 2 coats, front and back. And this video is part of an open collaboration called What Would You Make? And it is being hosted by Brenda from Rust and Lace DIY along with Christine with Divine Designs, and the guest host is Kathy Joe's DIY. I'm going to have the links down below in my description box along with the playlist. Please make sure to visit them and give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking their channels. Both of these pieces are now completely dry. I gave it, as you can see, a coat in the back and a coat in the front. Actually, 2 coats. And now with hot glue, I'm going to go ahead and place it right up here with plenty of hot glue. This project is so beautiful. I am going to be decorating and making a video of how I'm going to be decorating my porch. And this is going to be one of the items that I'm going to be using with some real terracotta pots and flowers. Stay tuned because that video is coming up soon as well. I also purchased some of these wood boxes. I did paint it off camera in black, and I'm also going to be adding some of that floral foam. Well, actually it's not floral foam. Every time I purchase something from Amazon or Temu, those little foam pieces, I never throw them out. I cut 2 pieces of that foam, and with some hot glue, I'm placing them right inside these little black boxes here, or trays, whatever you want to call them. And then of course I have so many succulents. I'm going to start filling these 2 pieces with the succulents like I said before, and after the succulents are put in place, I also have some white rocks that I'm going to be also adding to that. And if you have some moss, you could also add that, or Spanish moss, whatever is convenient for you. I was trying to look for my Spanish moss and I couldn't find it, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go with the white rocks. I bet you I will find it after this video is posted. That always happens to me. Whatever happened to you that when you are needing something, you look for it and you can't find it, but then when you're not looking for it, there it is, like right in your face? Comment in the comment section and let me know if that has happened to you. It happens to me all the time. And back to this project, once all the succulents are placed exactly where I want them, then I'm coming in with my white rocks and I'm going to start filling all that space in, making sure that you cannot see that foam. And then this will be it, my dear friends. And let me know in the comment section what you think about this simple project. I have enjoyed so much creating this project. I hope you enjoy it. Purchased this big cylinder vase at Goodwill for $1.99. I thought it was a really good bargain. And this, I don't know where I got this from. I've had it for a while. And this plate is from Dollar Tree. So I wiped it down pretty good. I came back in with lots of hot glue and I'm gluing both of these pieces together. And now it's time to work on the upper portion of the Cloche. This is a tea candle holder and it is in glass, and I bought this at IKEA several years ago. I think it's like 6 of them in one package. So now I'm gonna go ahead and with a lot of hot glue, I'm gonna glue it right up here. This is so beautiful. I am really loving this. I bought this wood egg from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and take this little sticker out of here with this little blade, and And once that is done, I also have these wood slice that I am going to be incorporating along with this little egg. And here they are. I'm going to be using 2 of them, and I'm going to be creating a bunny rabbit. And I'll be gluing them right up here with some hot glue. And now I'm coming in with some white chalk paint, and I'll be giving 1 coat only to the front of the egg. Let me tell you, my dear friends, I am so glad that I picked up these little rabbit buds from Dollar Tree, because look, it's perfect for this DIY. I'm gonna go ahead and put plenty of hot glue and glue it right on top of this beautiful egg. This is so pretty. I really like this. This here is a set of dominoes from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and give it 1 coat. I also have this little wood cube, and I'm also gonna give it 1 coat of white chalk paint. And this is how the rabbit is going to be able to stand up, with plenty of hot glue, of course. I have these eggs from Dollar Tree, and they're made out of foam. I'm gonna go ahead and paint 3 of them. 1 with pink, the other one with the color lilac, and then I will be mixing the pink and the lilac. And now the fun part. I'm gonna go ahead and start embellishing this beautiful cloche. Just sit back, relax, and watch what I'm doing. This is so much fun. I also want to remind you that this is part of a collaboration. Please make sure to visit these talented young ladies. If you are coming from one of their channels, I am so happy that you decided to stop by. If you like any of my content, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification button. Don't forget that big thumbs up. When you do give me that big thumbs up, it helps my channel. Mixing plenty of baking soda along with this linen white, and it is chalk paint. I'm gonna mix it well, and then these 2 beautiful fish bowls from Dollar Tree, I'm gonna give it 2 coats with this mixture. I bought this at Dollar Tree as well, and I'm going to take the same mixture and I'm going to go ahead and give it 1 heavy coat. And look at how beautiful. I found this at Dollar Tree. They had several of them and they were all different. So I decided to buy this one, and I am going to be giving it 1 coat with this linen white. Everything is dry now, so let's go ahead and start embellishing this. With a little bit of hot glue, I'm going to go ahead and put this bowl right here. And with some more hot glue, we'll take the egg and we'll put it right on top of the ribbon. Look how beautiful this is turning out. This looks nice and simple, yet so beautiful. And I'll do the same process to the second fishbowl. This is how it looks. And I'm putting this right in here. This looks so absolute beautiful. I also have some eggs from Dollar Tree. I put them in a skewer stick, and I'm going to be placing 2 on each of these fish bowls. And for the third one, I'm going to do similar process, but the eggs, I'm going to paint them completely in white. And then I'm going to go ahead and add these beautiful flowers. And now that these eggs are completely dry, I'm just going to place them right inside. I'm going to go ahead and add a bowl as well to the front of this, and here it is. Look at how gorgeous this turned out. You're going to have to let me know in the comment section what you think about these beautiful DIYs. Well, hello again. Thank you once again for... Well, we're at the end of the video. Thank you once again for sticking around until the end of my video. I hope you have enjoyed these DIYs. If you did, make sure to leave me that big thumbs up.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.